All glories to Amrita and Dhanvantari. So this is the phase 2 of the We Morph Soul Loves affirmation. And if you go a little bit deeper into it, you can change it to phase-2 We Love. So in the second phase, when you have already sufficient contact with your soul self energy, or you're in a semi-trance state during your meditation, etc., then you can already identify with the soul self, meaning we love. So then we love here means I as a soul, all other souls, and the Supreme Soul. That's we love. And phase-2 means provisionary identifications, morph. So basically all that is not true, so to say, the false egos, they are morphing. So phase-2 soul loves, or phase-2 we love, which I actually like more. So we identify with the group of souls, and because there is strength in number, so to say. So it's not just I, and I'm not a singular, and we're not all one, but we're like infinite number of drops in an unlimited bottomless ocean of eternal existence. That existence is pure love consciousness, or Sat Chit Ananda, true existence, pure cognizance, and ever expanding bliss. So phase-2 we're love. We're love for all that which is influenced by the three gunas, and thus always morphing and yearning to expand to the true love dimension. So I hope this makes sense for you. You can take something out of it for you. Please let me know in the comment section how this works out for you, and check the links below in the description of the video. Click the like button if you agree with this transmission, and for the benefit of all, please consider sharing this message. May the Om Love be with you. Jai Shri Radhe Shyam.